What's the meaning of a gleam? A gleam. A gleam. A gleam. A gleam. A gleam. A gleam means to be shining or gleaming, typically with a bright and/or reflected light. This can refer to anything from the sun reflecting off of water to the shimmer of a diamond in the light. The result of something being a gleam is that it catches the eye and draws attention to itself, creating a sense of brightness and radiance in its surroundings. A gleam can also imply a sense of purity and clarity, as something that shines brightly is often associated with being new, clean, or untouched.